Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maudiel Aguilar, and today I'm going to present you my final project on the play Sweat. For this project, I selected the scene number one from the act number one of the play. The reason why I selected Sweat, it's because this is a very interesting play for me. It's the first play that I read of its kind, and the storytelling. It's really fascinating because it jumps from time to time, which one might think that it will only work on movies because you have the practical effects or the practical tools to do that, to jump from time to time. But in a theater, it could be a little complicated, because of the makeup and the time to change and everything. But in this play, it just flows so naturally, and that's the reason why I selected, because I've always been fascinated by stories being told in that way, jumping from moment to moment. And the first scene from the act one is really touching for me because it's actually the end of the play, and it's just basically the parole officer talking with Jason and with Chris, which in a certain way tries to put things good between them. So in the first scene, they are at the parole office, and basically the this is Evan, the parole officer. He is in between Chris and Jason, or the other way around. So Evan will sit here, and then his chair could turn around so he can talk to either Chris or Chris or Jason, as it was meant on the plane. So this is just a sketch of how of the furniture I would like to use, and this is the sketch of the theater, and it's basically just the position of the tables and the chair in the middle, and then just him turning around between each character. So then for the costumes, I decided that I was going to give Evan a really traditional, classic parole officer costume, and it's actually what I can only think about. I'm pretty sure parole officers, can dress differently from time to time, but this is just the way that I imagine it. So it's just a traditional outfit, parole officer outfit. This is Jason. He is really light, if I can call it that way. He has a swastika in his face, which is not a custom, but it's just an element that I wanted to add to it. And it's just a very patriotic outfit. And then I have Chris. Chris, he's just wearing a normal outfit. He's just trying to look good. He just got out of prison, so he just wants to look good. He wants to look good for his mom, for everyone else. And yeah, so that's it for that scene. It's a very simple scene, but it's just a scene that is really touching for me because it's just a different life for them. When I finished reading the story, I realized how difficult it was for the characters. So this scene at the end, at the beginning, is really touching, when they related that, when they tell that they met between each other for a moment and everything. So it was really touching, and that's all. Thank you so much.